Contemporary design, a signature contemporary style, is pure simplicity, minimalistic aesthetic with stubble elegance, clean architectural line and play of textures. Serve up your interior with sanity perfection. Contemporary decor is defined by functionality over the forms and with ultra clean lines. By concentrating on color palette, forms, and shapes, contemporary decor looks like light touch. We can brief contemporary design aspect with these 6 following points. Contemporary style furniture ideas. Furniture elements place strong position but simultaneously should be simple and harmonious with curve or ornamentation. White, black, grey, or other neutral tones with natural fabrics like cotton, wool, jute, linen, silk, charming appeal to soft furniture. Pillows in smooth, clean geometrical shapes add breathe neatness to your room. Keep in mind, main background tone, use favorite color on furniture, element, and room accessories. Avoid small and cozy detail. Stay concise and structural. A bold furniture like sofa, chair, bed without fussy prints, right solution for your contemporary style. Use pillow with strict geometrical prints on bold colored. With sleek sofa, consider a big white grey rug thrown a plain floor. Choose heavy textures fabric or strict horizontal blind in neutral color. Sheer curtains make your space lighter. 3. Contemporary color palette for your home. Black, white, grey and neutral hue colors are foundation of contemporary design style. You should concentrate on contrast of bright and bold against the light and neutral colors. If the wall and windows are painted in neutral color scheme, you will have a great opportunity of decorating your room with brighter color furniture pieces. In case you will have the better use in white trims. We recommended to paint windows in light colors and use the neutral palette for luxury window treatments. 4. Concentrate on lines and forms. Contemporary interior style feature with line and form. Concentrate on horizontal and strict vertical with combination of elegantly curved straight lines. Line is basic of decor element such as high ceiling, light windows, wall art design and other room accessories. If you add shapely room accessories, pay attention to the form. You should use eye-catching, a stylish table, lightning or curved decor element to find right home accent. 5. Inspirational contemporary lighting design. The essential element of contemporary design is layering a plenty of light through the room using track lighting. You may install indirect lighting for the curve lighting. Shapely lamp that create a touch of lighting solution. Add bold color and metallic element to shapely light fixtures. Pictures or art element on the wall also need to be more for decor accent. Picture or art elements on wall also need more light for decor accents. You may also use spotlight LED that help you to focus on them. Be careful choosing art decor for contemporary design. If you wanted to combine few art items, hang out them close together, make feeling of good big one piece. If you want to combine few art items, Hang them together to make one big piece. Use several art elements for contemporary decor. Lights breathe in your house. Frame art can be based on eye level. Frames are black or white matte, metal or wood finishes on neutral colored wall adds stylish touch to your space. Tips and tricks for using plants in contemporary design. The key of perfect the key of perfect contemporary decor is amazing green plant. Try to use large plants in simple pot in the corner of the room. You can put forward focused lights around the green plants. Keep the place around the bloom orderly with stone or bark chips. Arrange over the soil in the simple container. The conclusion of contemporary design is the style of feature with clean lines, simple shape, neutral hue, elegant sophistication of texture, interior details, home decor accent on your place. Home decor accent on your space rather than things.